In this video, I'm gonna show you how to import your presets into the free mobile version of Lightroom step by step. First, you need an extra app. It's called iZip, it's for free and you can just find it in the App Store. So take your phone and let's begin. So I'm gonna show you with my ultimate pack, which is my vintage and my tropical pack combined. In this pack, there is lots of presets. They work really well with blue tones, skin tones, green tones, beach, urban, tropical, and also if you want to create that cool vintage look. Add to cart, view cart, proceed to checkout, and fill in all your details. And then when you complete the purchase process, you will end up on the checkout page, and then you will receive your presets via email. This is your confirmation email where you just click the download button. Click. Ta-da! Click the download button here again. And then you end up in the Dropbox folder where all your presets are stored. So now you just continue to the website and then you click on the mobile pack, and here are careful, you don't click on the individual presets, but you click on the three dots in the upper right corner, and then you choose direct download. Open in iZip. Would you like to extract all files? Okay. And now, unfortunately, one by one, you'll have to open the file in Lightroom. Copy to Lightroom. Alright, and now we go back to iZip. And now you have to do this with every single preset. But you have to think it is for free, so we have to work a little bit more. But it's all worth it. Also, once you've done this once, you never have to do this again. Alright, now you've got all the presets from the Ultimate Pack in Lightroom. Now, it's not done yet. Every image has all the information about the preset, and now you have to create individual presets from the image. But that's the last step. So you choose one image. For example, I'm gonna start with the vintage pack, which you can recognize on the blue images, and the tropical pack are the brown, white, yellow images. So you click an image, then you go to the right dots in the upper right corner, you choose create preset, and now you're gonna give them a name, and to keep it organized, I will call them Farah V from vintage pack, and then let's have a look, hashtag 2 retro blue raw. Now to make it easier, it's smart if you just copy it, and then for the other pictures we only have to change the last part of the name. Then you click the little link in the right upper corner, and that's one preset created. Woo! And now you have to do this for all of them, and it's created. Now this one, upper right corner, create presets, click, and this is the number 1, California. Okay, so now you created a preset of every single image, and now it's time for fun and to add some pictures. So you click the little photo with a plus on the bottom right corner, click, and then you just select some photos that you like to edit. Now you click on the photo to edit, and then here on the bottom you can just slide to the right and then you see presets, and here you can see all the presets that you just created. So every single preset is going to have a different effect depending on the photo and the light and the camera settings. So you can just choose the one that you like most. As you can see, some filters work better than others. This one a bit more purple. This one has a really cool summer vintage look. This one is a bit more moody. Gone surfing. I really like this one as well. It's super bright and happy. For this one, I really like to use Sunkissed. Makes me look nice and tanned, but not too much. Alright, and now let's tweak this one a little bit more. Go to light, for example. You can just add some exposure, make them darker, like this. Then, if you want to be more tanned, this is a little secret trick. You go to color, then in the right upper corner you see mix, you click, and then you go to the orange button, and then below you see luminance, and this is my favorite one because you can make yourself look really dark or really white. Oh my god, I look like that. So this way you can just like play with the settings a bit and tweak just how you like it. I know this whole process takes some time, but it's really worth it, and now you can edit your photos in one click. Also, if you want some more tips and tricks on how I edit my photos, check out my other video on how I edit my photos. Alright, thank you! Good luck!